Hey,
Dude, that car has a lot of lights.
it's pretty cool,
and a
right?
lot of stuff.
It's an awesome ride.
The great thing about that is your car's telling you so much more information than it used to.
Right.
This is due for service. This is a problem. This is great.
Fix
Everybody's
this now.
happy.
Fix this later. Absolutely.
It's amazing, and I really, really like that. However, as an owner, you're gonna learn some new stuff.
Yep. I think one of the most important things you can do is when you first get the car, learn it inside and out. Obviously, drive it and read the owner's manual.
Right.
This will really help you out too, because when there is a problem with the car, you'll know immediately this isn't the way my car is supposed to operate, and you can bring it to your mechanic accordingly.
What if you do have a problem? How do you find someone qualified to work on some of this new stuff? Because this is a brand new car. Every
Right.
shop might not be equipped to work on it.
Absolutely. So what I would usually do is I would actually go to your current mechanic and kind of ask them and figure out, hey, what is the most recent year cars that you work on, and do you work on connected vehicles? One of the things that you have to keep in mind is that you're going to hear some new terms. You're going to hear things like data plan,
Yep.
because a lot of the cars have a connected data plan
Yep.
where they communicate. You can get the weather, talk back to the manufacturer, and things like that.
Service reminder, inspection reminder, all of it. And I think it's actually perfectly acceptable to have that just straight up conversation with your current mechanic.
Right.
Hey, do you work on this or do you not? This may be something that it's a dealer only kind of thing.
Absolutely.
And you know what? That's okay. You can still rely on your current mechanic for all the rest of the stuff, but maybe that ADAS alignment where
Right.
you're aligning the radars and everything
That might be
has to
dealer
go to the
only.
dealer. Or there are plenty of specialty independent shops that do that stuff too.
Absolutely. And the next thing you want to know is that you're the most important line of defense for your car.
So really, it is up to the customer first to make sure everything's cool.
Right.
And then once it progresses from there, then you bring
You
it
go
to your
to your
mechanic,
mechanic.
and you guys work together to get it back dialed in.
And that's how I learned, really. I knew there was an issue with my car. I started taking things apart and diagnosing them on my own, and ended up fixing it myself.
Now, you don't need to go to the full rebuild of electric vehicles like Rich, but it's important point that you are the first line of defense in making sure your car's running right. You got to know the systems. You got to know how to talk to your mechanic
Absolutely.
and explain what's going on.
And also know that you are smarter than your car.
You are definitely smarter than your car. He's not smarter than
I'm not me.
I'm
But
not
you.
either.